question on the board. Should I proceed?
Yeah, go ahead.
I used to think that the current governments here in North America won the land through warfare or purchased it from the natives. But as it turns out, the massive majority of the land we live on today was signed off to Native Americans in treaties so that they would disband their armies. And then they came and slaughtered people contrary to written agreements. Does that mean we shouldn't own land in Canada or the United States?
I mean, what happened native land. So this native people, yeah, they were living here before. So what should we do? Not to own? No, it's the world changed. That's a new reality, basically. You understand? So and it's a little different. So they do not draw the parallel to Eretz Yisrael, because this land is just a land. Eretz Yisrael. It's if you see at Rashi, what Rashi said in the first pasuk in Bereshis. So he said the nations are going to come. Rashi from what 1200 years ago, right? Plus minus. So he came and said that the nations are going to come, and they say you stole our land, right? Till that day, right? So Rashi back then. So why? Because he said Hashem gave this land, and Hashem took it from other people. So he gave them to the Canaanites. Okay, initially, yeah, Canaanites live there. They actually desecrate the land, and it was time to just throw them out of the land. That's it. I give to my Jewish people. So it's my land. Whoever I want to give, I give. So if a person, if I decided to take it back, right, even though people deserve it, it's irrelevant. So it's mine. I don't have to give account. It's Hashem. I'm God. I don't need to ask anybody's permission. You know what to do. Should I rent today? Or no, this person he forgot his umbrella home. I'm not going to rent. No, Hashem is going to do whatever he decided to do, and we just have to dance according to his music. He's not going to dance according to our music. So he gave this land to Jewish people forever and ever and ever, because he promised to Abraham, Yitzhak, and Yaakov. Period. Did he ever change his mind? Absolutely not. But with this, with other lands, people come, people go, people conquered lands. Today, like if you think, look at today's map, all of the country they conquer each other, right? They kill, and the original people no longer there. Sanherif, he transferred all of these people to different countries, so they would not price against him. So they would like foreigners everywhere. Like people from different languages, from different nations, he would manipulate the nations. So there is no original people who lived in their country any longer. Okay, the only originals are Jews. That's it. Because we're not in the country, we're all moving around as a group, and that's how we survive. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi. Now I was just wondering from which one of the sons of Noah did the Native Americans came from, or the indigenous people from South America, and where did they come from actually?
I'm not sure. I will look into it. I don't know.